Alright guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to verify your website. You want to verify the ownership of your website on Google Search Console. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is to add your website to the Google Analytics. So you want to add your website and set things up on Google Analytics first. So let's say, for example, I want to add one of my website here. I want to verify this website here on Google Search Console account, on my Google Search Console account. So the first thing I want to do is I want to add it to Google Analytics first. So here you want to grab the URL, then go to Google Analytics, go to your Google Analytics account. So here you want to add it to Google Analytics account. So you want to scroll down here. So down here you want to click admin. And you want to go up here and create account. So now here you want to enter the name of the account you want to create. So let's use the name of our website. So here you can tick it if you want Google to send you a message. You want to click next here. So property name, you want to name it the name of your website again. And you can change the time zone here, depending where you are. If you are in US, UK, or IT, you can change the report time zone here. The currency, you can change it here, depending on where you are. And we're ready to go. So now, you want to click next, right there. So here, you want to tell Google about your business. So here, you want to know how many, if you're small business, medium, large, or very large. So this is a small one here. So here, they want to know what do you want to use the Google Analytics for? Why are you opening this account? So you're just gonna choose, I want to measure customer engagement with my website. So when you finish, you scroll down here and click create. So that's gonna take you to this area here. So you want to accept the Google Analytics terms of service agreement. So when you scroll down here, you click I accept. The second one, you want to accept it again here. Now you are ready to go. So the account has now been created. So here you can just go here, choose a platform. You can just click website. So here you can just drop the URL of your website there and type your website name here. And when you finish it, create stream. So now that the stream has been created, this is your code here. This is the code that you are going to be using for your website. So we're going to copy this ID here and go over to your website and drop it to the header. Another thing you can do if you want to manually install it to your website. If you want to manually install the code to your website, you can just go here, install manually. When you click that, you can just pick this code up. So let's use this one here. Now let's go over to the website and paste it to the header of the website. So to do that, you want to go to dashboard area. Then you want to scroll down and go to appearance here. So when you hover over to the appearance here, then you scroll down to theme file editor. So this is where we are going to be adding the code. So you can just click I understand there. You are going to look for header PHP right there at the right side of this bar here. This is it right there, header PHP. So when you click on it, it's going to pop off another page here. So you are going to look for that page here. So let's click on it. So here is the page. You want to insert the HTML code after the head. So this is the head right here. And you want to give space there and right click your mouse and paste the code in there. So this is the code right here. This is the HTML code there. As you can see, it is after the header, after the head. So guys, if you don't know how to do this, you will break your website. So I will show you another method you can use to do this if you are a beginner on building website. So scroll down here and you click update file. So now that the file has been updated successfully, you want to go to the plugins. So let me show you the second method to use. So you want to go to plugins and add new. And click on add new. So here on this box here, you want to type header footer code manager. So these are the plugin. You can just download one of this code here, one of this plugin here. They're all the same. So let's use this one here. When you download it on your website, you are going to activate it. So this will take you to the dashboard of your website again, where you can see all your plugins area. So this is the plugin here. So you want to set things up. So you want to click settings. So now you want to add new snippet to the header of our website. So you want to click at the top here, add new snippet. So here you want to add the name of your snippet. So let's say Google right there. So now I want to scroll down, right click your mouse and paste the code in there. So this is the code. So I scroll down, you click save. So now the code has been added to the header of our website. So now with this, we can now go ahead to the Google Analytics account and verify the ownership of the website. So let's go ahead and verify the website. So here you want to go here and you want to scroll down and add property. So here is where you can add the name, the URL of your website. Sorry, let's grab the URL. Let's cancel it. Go back again. You want to click add property here. And you want to drop the URL of your website here. So now I want to continue. So it's going to verify it. It's checking, it's looking for this website now. So as you can see, the ownership auto verified. So the website has been verified right now. So this is how you verify the ownership of your website. So when you're done, you click done, or you go to property if you want to look for the property. You want to check the website out. So as you can see, before 2-3 days, you are going to begin to see the full report of your website. So you can now view the performance of your website. You can now view how many people come to your website, the traffic source, the overview of the traffic source. Okay. So guys, that's how you verify the ownership of your website. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Google Analytics account and add your website to your Google Analytics account. You grab your code and drop it to the header of your website. Then you come back to the Google Search Console and verify your website. Then you can be able to see the performance of your website, the traffic source, and all that. So guys, we've come to the end of this tutorial here. Hopefully you'll be able to follow along and get something. If you guys have any question or anything to say about this video, please drop them in the comment section. Subscribe to this channel and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.